Hey, don't let these waivers get you fucked up out here, man. Straight up.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Hey, yo, this part 2 to my 360 wave PSA. This video is not about waves. It's about this trend that I see going around and all this gang shit. I want y'all to know this channel ain't finna be about that. It ain't no gang nothing over here, all right? I'm trying to teach y'all how to be men and be responsible and things like that. All that gang stuff, it sounds cool, but most of y'all who saying this gang will be the first to run when something goes down. Gang this, y'all niggas gonna run. So y'all need to dead that. So I appreciate all my viewers and subscribers, but you won't ever hear me saying gang. And I appreciate you all if y'all didn't put that in the comment section, because that's not what this channel is about. It's about positivity and upbringing. It's about positivity and knowledge. And most of you all may or may not know, I'm from Chicago, all right? And that whole gang life is serious, and I know Chicago ain't the only city that's about that. And what I want you all to know is that this little trend that's going around, niggas doing that, I need y'all to know what that means. So it's a lot of little kids doing a lot of following. It's a lot of adults doing that same shit. This right here, doing this in the wrong neighborhood, in the wrong city, to the wrong person, will get your ass murked. So I need you all to be mindful of what you all are copying and what you all are saying. Most of y'all just doing it because it look cool and y'all following y'all favorite waiver and whatnot. But this right here is the Latin King sign. If y'all don't know what a Latin King is, y'all need to look them up, man. That gang is serious. It's not me being on no scary shit or nothing like that. It's just for me to inform y'all, because I don't want none of y'all getting hurt because y'all running around talking about some gang. No. Doing that to the wrong person, especially them cats, doing that to the wrong person will get your ass murked real quick. And they're not even asking questions. All right? Doing that to the wrong person will get you murked. Not only in Chicago, but I'm sure in LA, New York, just anywhere. You throw that gang sign up to the wrong person, and they're not gonna take it as, oh, he a waiver, that's why he doing that. No, they're gonna take it as, oh, you about that life, and we finna see what up with it. All right? So be mindful of what you are doing. Stop copying. Think for yourself. Be your own man. Think for yourself. And dead that gang shit. All right? If you want to call yourself a squad, we can call ourselves a squad over at this channel. But none of that gang. I'm not throwing up no signals or nothing like that, man. All right? Be smart. People out here are doing things with no conscience, and I need you all to have a conscience and be more aware of what you're doing, what you're saying, where you at, all right? And who you following. So I'm gonna leave you all with that. Y'all have a good day. Swole Waver, out.